Alright, welcome back guys, and this is just a little update video on Omar the Miata. I've decided to invest a little more money into him. I'm slowly doing things because I don't want to spend too much. When you spend not that much on a car, you don't want to spend a ton on it. But I've had it a while now and it's been running really good, so I'm pretty confident in the fact that this engine is still strong. So I'm going to invest a little more money into it. So I'm getting an upgraded coilover suspension. I cheaped out. I was on the Miata catalog. I was looking through there, and they had like a $500 coilover kit. A couple people online said that it's a good basic suspension for the price. You don't get a ton of performance out of it, but it gives you that lowered look, which really I honestly would prefer more performance than looks. But I don't have a huge budget because I just got engaged and I spent $1 on an engagement ring, so you know, money's a little tight. And so I got the coilover kit, I got a short throw shift kit because like some of my shifting was a little bit rough, so want to upgrade that, and then just a couple little things for the interior. But I'm going to be doing some install vids. I've never done anything with suspension at all, so this will be kind of like another learning experience, and I'm hoping to do it kind of right away unless I run into any issues. But people say suspension is not that hard to do, and it's something that's widely done, so I'm assuming it's not that bad. And then after that, really doing some anti-roll bars, the hard dog roll cage eventually. But the suspension's a big one because I think this is a stock suspension and it's kind of bumpy, and that'll lower it. Plus I'm making a little spacer for the wheels, and it should make the car handle quite a bit better. So I'll let you guys know how this works out, and thanks for watching. See you soon.